Quiet of the night, our love fills the air like a melody so sweet and rare. You're the light in my darkness, the warmth in my cold. In your arms my heart finds its home to hold every moment with you, like a dance in the rain. Our love, a symphony without any frame. Your eyes like diamonds shining bright. With you by my side, everything feels just right. Through the ups and downs, we stand hand in hand. Together we'll conquer across seas and land. You're my sun in the morning, my moon at night. With you, my love. So here's my song, the destiny to our love, like a soaring eagle reaching heights above. Forever and always, you're my guiding star. In this journey of love, no matter how far we ride, it's only written in the sky. A love so pure it'll never die. With you, my dear, myself is complete. In your arms, my love, I find my eternal sea. Your love, a story written in the sky. A love so pure it'll never die. With you, in the illness of the night, our love shines so bright, like a melody softly playing, our hearts ignite. You're the rhythm to my rhyme, the reason why I smile. In your arms I find solace even in the trials. Your eyes a reflection of the stars above. In your embrace I find peace and love. Every heartbeat sings your name. Every heartbeat sings your name. In this eternal dance, our souls are flame. With every breath I whisper words of devotion. In your presence I feel a deep emotion. Together we paint a canvas filled with grace. In your love I find our sacred place. Through the laughter and the tears we share. In your arms I know that I belong, I care. As the world spins and time flies by, with you my love, forever I'll be by. In this symphony of love, you are my favorite tune. Forever and always, under the same moon, hand in hand, we face whatever comes our way. In this love song we write every single day. Hand in hand we'll face whatever comes our way. In this love song, in quiet of the night, our love fills the air like a melody so sweet and rare. You're the light in my darkness, the warmth in my cold. In your arms my heart finds its home to hold. Every moment with you like a dance in the rain. Our love, a symphony without any refrain. Your eyes like diamonds shining bright. With you by my side, everything feels just right. Through the ups and downs, we'll stand hand in hand. Together we'll conquer across seas and land. You're my sun in the morning, my moon at night. arms, my love, I find my eternal sea. Quiet of the night, our love fills the air like a melody so sweet and rare. You're the light in my darkness, the warmth in my cold. In your arms my heart finds its home to hold every moment with you, like a dance in the rain. Our love, a symphony without any frame. Your eyes like diamonds shining bright. With you by my side, everything feels just right. Through the ups and downs we'll stand hand in hand. Together we'll conquer across seas and land. You're my sun in the morning, my moon at night. With you, my love. So here's my song, the destined to our love, like a soaring eagle reaching heights above. Forever and always, you're my guiding star. In this journey of love, no matter how far we may lie, the story written in the sky. A love so pure and never die. With you, my dear, my soul feels complete. In your arms, my love, I find my eternal sea. You're alive, a story written in the sky. A love so pure it'll never die. With you in the illness of the night, our love shines so bright, like a melody softly playing, our hearts ignite. You're the rhythm to my rhyme, the reason why I smile. In your arms I find solace even in the trials. Your eyes a reflection of the stars above. In your embrace I find peace and love. Every heartbeat sings your name. Every heartbeat sings your name. In this eternal dance our souls are flame. With every breath I whisper words of devotion. In your presence I feel a deep emotion. Together we paint a canvas filled with grace. In your love I find my sacred place. Through the laughter and the tears we share. In your arms I know that I belong, I care. As the world spins and time flies by, with you my love, forever I'll be by. In this symphony of love, you are my favorite tune, forever and always. Under the same moon, hand in hand, we'll face whatever comes our way. In this love song we write every single day. Hand in hand we'll face whatever comes our way. In this love song, in quiet of the night, our love fills the air like a melody so sweet and rare. You're the light in my darkness, the warmth in my cold. In your arms my heart finds its home to hold. Every moment with you like a dance in the rain. Our love a symphony without any refrain. Your eyes like diamonds shining bright. With you by my side, everything feels just right. Through the ups and downs we'll stand hand in hand. Together we'll conquer across seas and land. You're my sun in the morning, my moon at night. arms, my love, I find my eternal sea. Quiet of the night, our love fills the air like a melody so sweet and rare. You're the light in my darkness, the warmth in my cold. In your arms my heart finds its home to hold every moment with you, like a dance in the rain. Our love, a symphony without any frame. Your eyes like diamonds shining bright. With you by my side, everything feels just right. Through the ups and downs, we stand hand in hand. Together we'll conquer across seas and land. You're my sun in the morning, my moon at night. With you, my love. So here's my song of destiny to our love, like a soaring eagle reaching heights above. Forever and always, you're my guiding star. In this journey of love, no matter how far we ride, it's only written in the sky. A love so pure it'll never die. With you, my dear, my soul feels complete. In your arms, my love, I find my eternal sea. Your love, a story written in the sky. A love so pure it'll never die. With you in the illness of the night, our love shines so bright, like a melody softly playing, our hearts ignite. You're the rhythm to my rhyme, the reason why I smile. In your arms I find solace even in the trials. Your eyes a reflection of the stars above. In your embrace I find peace and love. Every heartbeat sings your name. Every heartbeat sings your name. In this eternal dance, our souls are flame. With every breath I whisper words of devotion. In your presence I feel a deep emotion. Together we paint a canvas filled with grace. In your love I find my sacred place. Through the laughter and the tears we share. In your arms I know that I belong, I care. As the world spins and time flies by, with you my love, forever I'll be by. In this symphony of love, you are my favorite tune, forever and always. Under the same moon, hand in hand, we face whatever comes our way. In this love song we write every single day. Hand in hand we'll face whatever comes our way. In this love song, in quiet of the night, our love fills the air like a melody so sweet and rare. You're the light in my darkness, the warmth in my cold. In your arms my heart finds its home to hold. Every moment with you like a dance in the rain. Our love, a symphony without any refrain. Your eyes like diamonds shining bright. With you by my side, everything feels just right. Through the ups and downs, we'll spend hand in hand. Together we'll conquer across seas and land. You're my sun in the morning, my moon at night. With arms, my love, I find my eternal sea. Quiet of the night, our love fills the air like a melody so sweet and rare. You're the light in my darkness, the warmth in my cold. In your arms my heart finds its home to hold every moment with you, like a dance in the rain. Our love, a symphony without any frame. Your eyes like diamonds shining bright. With you by my side, everything feels just right. Through the ups and downs we'll stand hand in hand. Together we'll conquer across seas and land. You're my sun in the morning, my moon at night. With you, my love. So here's my song, a testament to our love, like a soaring eagle reaching heights above, forever and always in the world guiding star. In this journey of love, no matter how far you and I, is holy written in the sky. A love so pure and never die. With you, my dear, my soul feels complete. In your arms, my love, I find my eternal sea. Your